Today we will be installing the poker chip wall mount display. The tools you will need are a drill with a 1/4 inch bit, a pencil, a Phillips head screwdriver, and if you have a hammer it will be helpful but not completely necessary. Start by unwrapping the 2 acrylic pieces. You will be using the thinner of the 2 pieces as a template to mark your wall. Mark an X in the center of each of the 4 circles. Now that the holes are marked on the wall, drill in the center of each X using the 1/4 inch drill bit. Now we will be installing the anchors. Separate them and use a hammer to gently tap them into the wall. They should be flush with the wall surface. Do this for all 4 anchors. Now that the anchors are in the wall, you will disassemble your bolts from the bolt acceptors. Also remove 1 rubber washer from the bolt. Do this for all 4. Grab a screw and a bolt acceptor and head to the wall. Put the screw through the bolt acceptor and into the anchor of the wall. Tighten the screw until the bolt acceptor is secure to the wall. Do this for all 4. Load your casino chips into the acrylic display and place the top piece on. Use 2 rubber bands to hold the top and bottom pieces together. Place a bolt with 1 washer in each hole. Now you will be placing the other washer on the back side of each bolt, like shown, and head to the wall. Screw each of the 4 bolts in slightly. Once they are all screwed in a little bit, you will be able to go back and tighten them down. Notice I'm going back and forth across the piece to tighten them down. Once all 4 sides are secure, you can remove the rubber bands with scissors.